Have you ever wondered, how much money do I actually need to start Forex trading? Is it 10,000 naira, 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira, or do you need thousands of dollars before you can become a real trader? The answer might surprise you. You don't need a huge amount of money to start learning Forex, but you do need enough money to manage risks properly when you eventually trade live. Let's break this down. First, there's a big difference between starting to learn Forex and start to trade with real money. If you are completely new to Forex, you don't necessarily need a large account. You can start by learning how currency pairs work, understanding pips, studying market structure, practicing support and resistance, learning risk management, and using a demo account. And this is important because your first goal shouldn't be to make money. Your first goal should be to learn how not to lose money unnecessarily. Now, when you are ready to move to a live account, the amount you need depends on several things. It depends on your broker's minimum deposit, the account type you are using, your trading strategy, your position size, and most importantly, how much you are willing to risk per trade. For example, imagine someone has $50 in the account and they are risking a large percentage of that account on every trade because they want to turn it into $500 quickly. That is not a trading plan. That is taking excessive risk. But another trader might have a small account and use it primarily to practice discipline, execution with very small position sizes. The difference isn't simply the amount of money in the account. It is the way the money is being managed. And please don't fall into the trap of thinking, I need a bigger account so I can make bigger profits. A bigger account does not automatically make you a better trader. If you don't have discipline with $100, giving yourself $10,000 won't magically create discipline. In fact, poor risk management on a larger account can make your losses much bigger. Another mistake beginners make is borrowing money to trade. Please don't trade with money you need for rent, food, school fees, bills, or other important responsibilities. Forex trading carries significant risk, and you should only use money you can genuinely afford to lose. So, how much do you really need for learning? Potentially nothing beyond the resources and tools you can study and practice with a demo account. For live trading, there is no single amount that is right for everyone. Start with an amount that fits your financial situation and allows you to use sensible risk management rather than trying to make a living from a tiny account. And remember this, your first live account is not supposed to make you rich. It should help you develop real trading discipline, understanding your emotions, follow your strategy, and learn how to manage risks with real money. Don't focus on how quickly can I turn 50,000 naira into 500,000 naira. Ask yourself, how can I become a trader who can manage 50,000 naira responsibly? That mindset is much more important because Forex is not about starting with the biggest account. It's about developing the knowledge, discipline, patience, and risk management skills to survive long enough to become consistently better. If you are learning Forex from scratch and you want practical lessons on trading psychology, risk management, strategies, market structure, and discipline, subscribe to Moneypali FX. And if this video help you understand how much money you really need to start Forex, share it with someone who is thinking about entering the markets. Don't rush into Forex. Learn first, practice, manage your risks, then trade. This is Moneypali FX. Learn, trade, and grow. Remember, Forex trading involves significant risks of loss. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Bye for now.